Hey guys, it's Jason from High Octane RT. I hope everybody's had a good start to their 2018, and I wish everybody great things to come this year. Just hanging out with my car here today for a little while. Supposed to get 8 inches of snow tomorrow, so today is kind of the calm before the storm. So this is the calm before the storm. It's supposed to start snowing tomorrow at 4 a.m. 8 inches. So I was having a little conversation with this thing behind me. We got a huge goal for 2018. That's for a Hellcat to see our smoke tinted taillights in the quarter mile. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, subscribe and follow us on our journey. And here it is. Same place, same time as yesterday. And it started shortly after 4 o'clock this morning, like they said it was going to. Winter sucks for the Charger.